Where do you buy groceries?
I buy groceries at the supermarket.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, I enjoy online shopping.
Where can I find shoes?
You can find shoes at the shoe store.
How much is this dress?
The dress is $50.
Do you shop at the mall?
Yes, I shop at the mall.
Can I return this item?
Yes, you can return it with a receipt.
Is there a sale today?
Yes, there is a sale on clothes.
Where can I buy electronics?
You can buy electronics at an electronics store.
How do you pay for your purchases?
I pay with a credit card.
Do you prefer cash or card?
I prefer paying by card.
What time does the store open?
The store opens at 9 a.m.
Do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, I need a shopping bag, please.
Where is the fitting room?
The fitting room is at the back.
Do you offer free delivery?
Yes, we offer free delivery on orders over $100.
Can I get this in a smaller size?
Yes, we have smaller sizes available.
Are there any discounts?
Yes, there is a 10% discount today.
Is this store expensive?
No, it's affordable.
Do you need help finding anything?
No, I'm just browsing, thank you.
Can I use a coupon here?
Yes, you can use a coupon at checkout.
Where is the cashier?
The cashier is near the entrance.
What brand is this?
This is a Nike product.
How much does this cost?
It costs $25.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, we have it in blue.
Can I try this on?
Yes, you can try it on in the fitting room.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Can I exchange this shirt?
Yes, you can exchange it within 30 days.
Where is the grocery section?
The grocery section is on the left.
Do you have any specials today?
Yes, we have a buy one get one free offer.
Do you offer gift wrapping?
Yes, we offer free gift wrapping.
Can I get a refund?
Yes, with the original receipt.
Are these shoes comfortable?
Yes, they're very comfortable.
How long is the sale?
The sale lasts until the weekend.
Is this item out of stock?
Yes, it's currently out of stock.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
How many can I buy?
There's no limit.
Where is customer service?
Customer service is near the exit.
Is this the latest model?
Yes, it's the latest model.
Can I order this online?
Yes, you can order it online.
What size should I get?
You should try a medium.
Can you help me find a gift?
Yes, I'd be happy to help.
Do you have a loyalty program?
Yes, you can sign up for rewards.
What time does the store close?
The store closes at 8 p.m.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, you can pay with cash.
Is this food organic?
Yes, it's 100% organic.
Where is the toy section?
The toy section is upstairs.
Do you sell headphones?
Yes, we sell headphones.
Are these jeans on sale?
Yes, they are 15% off.
Do you have this in stock?
Yes, it's available in stock.
Can I cancel my order?
Yes, you can cancel before shipping.
What's the return policy?
You can return items within 30 days.
Do you sell gift cards?
Yes, we sell gift cards.
Can I get a bigger size?
Yes, let me check the stock.
How many items can I take to the fitting room?
You can take up to 5 items.
What's your best-selling item?
Our best seller is this jacket.
Do you offer student discounts?
Yes, we offer a 10% student discount.
How do I apply a discount code?
You can enter the code at checkout.
Do you have free samples?
Yes, we have free samples by the counter.
Can I reserve this item?
Yes, you can reserve it for 24 hours.
Do you ship internationally?
Yes, we ship to most countries.
Are these shoes waterproof?
Yes, they are waterproof.
Do you have more colors?
Yes, we have several color options.
Can I check out online?
Yes, you can check out on our website.
Is there a warranty?
Yes, it comes with a 1-year warranty.
How much is delivery?
Delivery is $5, are free for orders over $50.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here is your receipt.
Do you need help with your bags?
Yes, thank you.
Can I pre-order this?
Yes, pre-orders are available.
Where are the sale items?
The sale items are in the back.
How do I redeem points?
You can redeem points at checkout.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, mobile payments are accepted.
Do you offer a price match?
Yes, we match competitor prices.
Is there parking available?
Yes, there is parking in front of the store.
Can I get a printed receipt?
Yes, we can print one for you.
Is there a charge for returns?
No, returns are free.